Tired of remembering endless passwords and wanting an extra layer of protection for your online banking? Let's dive into using the nationwide card reader to secure your online banking effortlessly. This guide will cover everything from getting set up to fixing common problems, all in about a minute and a half. First, let's make sure you've got everything you need: the card reader itself and your instruction manual you got from the bank. Next, if your card reader requires batteries, make sure they are installed correctly. There are a few different models, so make sure you have the correct batteries and install them accordingly. Now, insert your nationwide debit card into the card reader face up, making sure the chip is facing the correct way. You might need to push it in firmly until it clicks in and it is securely in place. The screen on your card reader will prompt you to enter your PIN. Enter your standard 4-digit PIN number using the number buttons on the device. Press the confirm button on the device or follow the on-screen instructions. Once your PIN is accepted, the card reader will generate a unique security code. You'll now see a unique code, which you need to enter into the online banking login screen when prompted. After entering the code, click the bank's confirmation button, and you should be successfully logged into your nationwide online banking account. Dealing with issues: if you see an error message, double-check your PIN, ensure the card is inserted correctly, and that it's not damaged. If the problem persists, contact Nationwide directly. And there you have it. Using your nationwide card reader gives you an extra layer of security while also giving you peace of mind.